When you're walking around school, have you ever noticed how many posters there are advertising for club meetings and events? If it's anything like my high school was, it's a lot. People love clubs. They bring people together for a common purpose. And what better purpose to come together for than Jesus? Hi, I'm Bree with Decision Point, and today I'm so excited to share all about how you can start a Christian club at your school. Because if you want to be able to reach your whole school with the gospel, you're gonna wanna have a team of believers working together to make it happen. There are so many opportunities that are only available when you are in a club. If there's already a Christian club on campus, try joining that one. If not, you get to start a new club that can make an impact for years to come. The good news is, starting a club can be easy. At most public schools in the US, you only need these 3 things: the official paperwork from your school's office to register your club, a teacher to be your club advisor, and a few friends to help you lead it. Here's a simple breakdown for how you can get your club up and running. First, find out the process and paperwork that you need to start a club. Your school should have a standard process for any student group that wants to become a club. You can go to the front desk and ask someone for the club application, or ask a teacher to help you figure out who you should talk to first. Next, ask a teacher to be your club advisor. Ideally, this person would be a Christian who also wants to see Jesus made known on campus. But if you or your friends don't know any Christian teachers yet, that's okay. Pray for God to help you find one. In the meantime, any teacher who respects your rights as a student and is willing to help is enough to get started. The main job of a teacher advisor is to supervise you and your club while you use their classroom for club activities. Usually, the advisor doesn't have that much work to do once the club is approved. The final thing is to gather fellow believers who can start the club with you. Maybe you already have some Christian friends who would be interested, or maybe this is an opportunity to make new Christian friends. Ask around in your church, group chat, and classes. Do you know any Christians that go to school here? Once you find the right people, tell them about your dreams of sharing Jesus on campus, and if they share that desire, ask them to help you start the club. Your school might require 3 to 5 people to sign up as club officers, usually a president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer. No matter how many leaders you find, having a strong team of people who are committed with you to sharing Jesus is a powerful way to start your club. Once you have everything and everyone you need to launch your club, submit the club application and get confirmation that your club is approved with the help of your teacher advisor. Check in with your school office on a regular basis to get updates on the status of the club application. If you met all the requirements, it should be approved pretty quickly. But if you find that the administration denies or ignores your request for club approval, you may have some more work to do. If that's you, send an email to the administrator in charge of club approval, respectfully asking for an explanation as to why it hasn't been approved. And ask for written policies and guidelines that you may have missed. Make sure you add your advisor on this email as well to keep them in the loop. If admin says your club approval can be ensured by making simple, reasonable changes to your club application, like maybe you need one more club leader or another signature, then do it. But if you feel like you're being asked to make changes that compromise your convictions, or if you think you're being unfairly denied approval, we recommend getting your parents and teacher advisor more involved, and to consider receiving further legal support if needed. To learn more about your legal rights and what steps you can take if they're being ignored or denied, check out the link listed in the description below. Once your club is authorized, congratulations! Now comes the fun stuff. Set the location and time of your weekly club meetings. The most ideal time is during lunchtime on a Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. That way you avoid missing meetings on days where you have Monday or Friday off of school. But be sure to check in with your club advisor and to see what days they're available as well. And you also get to pick a name for your club. Make sure it's something that would be inviting to unbelievers, so they feel like it's a place where they can come to learn about Jesus and that it's not just exclusive to Christians. You could even name your club Decision Point. Once you have your meeting time and name figured out, you can start to actually promote, lead, and mobilize your club. There are so many things you can do to promote your club. Get the word out with PA announcements, social media posts, posters, passing out flyers with food, and even setting up a table at your school's club fair. Go big with a club launch event. Print 1,000 flyers and get a ton of donut holes. Not only does this give other Christians on your campus the opportunity to get involved, but it also invites people to come to the club to learn more about Jesus. For help leading your club, check out our student leader guide, available at decisionpoint.org/students, where you'll gain access to videos, resources, and content for a whole year's worth of club meetings and events. And don't do all of this alone. Mobilize even more Christians on your campus to help share Christ. You can even take on Decision Point's 5 gospel challenges as a club to help you stay on mission. Starting a Christian club will definitely take some work, but it's such a powerful platform for building a team of believers and giving every student the opportunity to hear the gospel before they graduate. And just think, your club may have an impact for not just this school year, but for years to come.